we've got just a minute or so left here. Bill Clinton, there are all kinds of stories in the last couple of days about the role he is playing. You have a comment on this?
I think in theory he's entirely positive. In practice he's mostly negative. People like the idea of Bill Clinton. He's still popular, especially among Democrats, extremely popular. But when he's actually campaigning, when you see a former president attacking another candidate or condescending to another candidate, I think it has an entirely negative cast.
Contrast him with George H.W. Bush, whose son ran for president, and Clinton's wife. He only served the purpose of being a character reference for his son in specific instances in the 2000 campaign, very selectively, very discriminatingly used. It cheapens Bill Clinton. He's a smaller man as a result of this campaign. David's right. And I just think that you got to call a member of Congress, a very close friend, who said, Mr. President, you're behaving like a precinct committeeman or captain out there.
He's getting angry, too, isn't he?
Well, he is. I mean, and he's a man that's done big things. I mean, with George Herbert Walker Bush since his presidency. You know, with the tsunami and his AIDS efforts. But I have to say, I mean, his temper, which was legendary in the White House, but only seen by the staff, now is being seen by people, you know, on YouTube and on the campaign trail.
A plus? You think it's a negative or a plus?
A clear negative. I agree. He's demeaned it, and he's demeaned Hillary. He's caused Hillary all sorts of problems.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you.